move to 0104, the number 4 parts of this getting started with Scratch. What we are doing is on this Scratch designing our game for Flappy Bat. So with this video, we will add a collision to the game, and there's two parts we will practice all together. The first one is to detect the collision with the ground sprite. Second is the copy blocks from ground to pipe. So we have until the last video, we have our the stage sprite in static and also make them moving. So pipe can move from left to right, and you can also have your sprite, the bat, can change their wings. So let's continue with this video. So let's see. So what is the collision? Collision is at the heart of most of the video games. Whether it's Pac-Man colliding with our pink ghost, Mario jumping onto a platform, or your character picking up a new tools in Minecraft, a game designer decides what will happen when each collision occurs. So which means if your bat touch the pipe, what will be happen? If the bat dropped until the ground, or what will be happen? So all those are called the collision, or we can call that as the events. So first, let's save again with our game. So we make 1.3. And then let's save to another one, 1.4. So you start to this chapter. So the first part is detect the collision with the ground. So click the ground here. So if we click this, this is our green ground, and drag, click the script. Now in version 3 is code. So we have a ground, we click code and drag the, let's make this smaller. So you have the enough space on the middle one. And following the blocks, first is our event. So when our green flag is clicked, and then we have a control forever, and have our if. So if statement. So if is here, if something happened then. Because we don't have else, we just have this one checking. So within forever we have one if, and this is our stop. So here, stop all. But the condition, so condition stop all means game done. So touching player. So this will be, looks like is our blue one. Touching mouse pointer, so put that inside. So you may also check about the shape. So here is like a diamond, then this is the diamond, is this you cannot put such kind of shape or block in. So that is also the easy convenience from Scratch provided to you. So what we are now is we are in this ground, and the touch means what is collision to the ground. So that is our player. So use this drop-down list. It's not the mouse pointer, it's the player. So that is the same. So and then let's make this bigger, and here. So you can see our bat is done. So whenever the bat touch our ground, this condition is get true. So when it's true, stop all. So that is one collision. So if the player float to the ground, the game should end as soon as possible they collide. So like this one, you will usually put an if-then block inside of forever. So the program will keep checking whether the condition is true or false. So this forever should be wrap this if-then block. So they just keep checking. Since you will need the same code on the pipe spread, you can save time by copying the code. So let's see if I make copying. So click the top block and drag the block from the script directly onto the pipe. So drag, so from here. So if you drag from the second one, you will split your block. If you want to drag any block below that, you drag this the top one. So drag that and come to here. So here we have our ground still here, and in pipe we have also one. So now we have this one. So once you release, you should see the origin code snap back into the place. If you click the pipe now, you can see this one. If the new block are overlapping the previously code, just drag that like what I have done. Dragging the top block moves all the connection. So now we also have our pipe to touch this bed. So let's make the bed here. So let me start. So you can see it's touch this pipe. So that means that is our second condition. So whenever our spread or our flying bed touch either the pipe or the ground, the game will be ended. So let's put that here. So let me ensure I can control something. So yeah. Yeah. So my ear is too huge. Oh, so our pipe is too big. So all is let's make that smaller. So give our bed is enough. Yeah, you can see now I'm flying. So until I drop to the ground. Right? So that is these videos happened to here. So I hope you can use these the two new things. One is this forever and plus if. Secondly is you practice is how you can drag a block of the code or script to another sprite. Then you are doing a copy paste. So if you click the player, now we have 3 blocks. And if you click the ground, where you have 1 pipe, you have 2, but one of these are same as the ground. So those are our current logic. Next video, we will do some adjustment, which I already did that, and we will see how these the games can be playing further. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.